Welcome to Springhouse at Renwick Village. I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Today we're going to be doing a video open house of this beautiful 1.5 story with a finished walkout lower level. This garden home has all the amenities you'd expect from Renwick. Let's take a look. The main level has 3 potential bedroom spaces, possibly 2 studies. There are 2 suites on the main level and this study/bedroom that also has French doors. Natural light streams through this 2-story great room with entertaining kitchen area, floating island, and experienced cooks will love the gas cooktop and the double ovens. Custom touches include this beautiful fireplace with surround and built-in bookcases. Double vanities, a beautiful freestanding shower, and a walk-in closet are just a handful of the amenities. There are 2 additional bedrooms on the upper level, plus a full bath, and there's a study loft with an overlook of the great room. The walkout lower level has great natural light, a kitchenette with island, plus there's a full bath on this level and additional storage space. This gorgeous Springhouse garden home is on the green space, so you have all this natural green behind you, and it's just perfect for family gatherings or entertaining outdoors. Feel free to give me a call. If you'd like to take a personal tour of the house, my name is Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com, FC Tucker Realtors. My number is 812-360-5333.